Hi guys, welcome to Tracy Global YouTube channel. So on today's episode, we'll be flying all the way to North Africa to make this delicious egg shakshuka recipe together. So these are the ingredients that you're definitely going to be needing. If you have a white onion, you can definitely substitute it to this red onion, and you ensure that you dice them into small chunks, because with eggs you don't want to have a lot of chunks. And then you have one tomato and one red bell pepper. The red bell pepper is good because it has the red color and it's also very sweet, so that is why I decided to put the whole red bell pepper. And then you going to add in some cilantro, or you can also call them some coriander. You cut them like so into small pieces. We don't want any big pieces for this recipe. And then there we have some mozzarella cheese, just a quarter. A quarter is the same as 125 grams of that. And then we have some tomato sauce, ginger, garlic, and our ingredients over there. So the first step is, on your pan, add in some salty butter. But if you don't have salty butter, you can definitely use just unsalted butter or oil. And remember to add in the salt, of course. So after your butter has dissolved, or after your oil is well heated up, add in your onions. And we're going to let our onions caramelize at this point. So we're going to let the onions caramelize, but not burning. Okay, after the caramelizing, just light caramelization of that, we're going to add in one tomato. And guys, remember that I've listed down below the ingredients on the description box, so please tap on that and adjust it to your ingredients. And after adding the tomatoes, you're now going to add in our red bell peppers at this point. As you can see, the bell peppers are very rich in color. And then after that, we're going to add in our tomato paste or tomato sauce, but personally I use tomato paste. It just works the same. So after that, you're going to stir and you let your tomatoes cook because of the acidity. And then we add in 1 tablespoon of paprika. Paprika is good because it's going to also enhance the red color. And then we're also going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic and a little bit of water. Let that boil. After it has boiled and formed such a paste, we're going to add in now the eggs. And for us, we added five eggs. Actually, we added 5 eggs. And after that, and just ensure that you space your eggs. Just space your eggs in according to the size of your pan. After that, you're going to add in your cilantros or corianders at the top. Okay, and then you cover your pot and let your eggs cook on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Low heat, emphasis on the low heat, because you don't want the lower part to be burnt. Okay, so after that, look at that. If you start seeing the eggs as if they're forming a bubble, your eggs are definitely ready. And at this juncture, this is when you add in your mozzarella cheese, or you can even add your feta cheese at this point. You can decide to either cut in chunks or grate. You let the cheese cook for about 2 minutes. And after that, our shakshuka egg recipe is definitely ready. Guys, look at that. But if there is an egg recipe that my loved ones have really enjoyed, is this recipe. Look at that cheesiness. The cheese did not come to play, and so is the egg. And imagine the egg was runny. It was very delicious. Look at that. It's a runny egg, and it was very delicious. Like, my family really loved it, and this is something you can definitely try it out. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.